In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to take your converted image file, which we turned into a PDF, and now embed that on your Google site. So the first thing you want to do is find your PDF, which I have right here. So there's my sample capture PDF, and I'm going to click on that to open it. And I'm going to get this preview, but what I want to do is go down here to the blue open button and select Google Drive Viewer. So we're actually looking at it full screen in the viewer. And I want to change my sharing permissions for this PDF. So I'm going to go to Share. And you want to set it to anyone who has the link can view. So I'm going to click Change. And it's set to anyone with the link. And you can do this or you can do public on the web, but I think anyone with the link is best. So you want to make sure that's selected and click Save. And now I'm going to click on Done. And then up here at the top, what we need now from this PDF is this unique ID. So you'll see it comes after that D / and starts with a 0. So this is the document or PDF's ID, and you want to copy that. So I'm going to do Control-C on my keyboard and copy that. And then in the next step, what you need to do is paste that into this URL here, and this will properly format your PDF so it looks right on your website. And so you'll see the link below in this video to this document, so you can use this as a reference. But here is that link with the document ID pasted into it. So this is what I need. So you can see highlighted here is the document's ID, and the beginning part of this is the link. So you combine those two together. So now I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to flip over to my Google site. So here I am on my ePortfolio website, and I've got my narrative, personal, informal writing page, and I want to paste that PDF into here. So I'm going to click the pencil to edit, and I'm going to go to Insert, and you want to select More Gadgets. So we're not going to use the common, the gadgets or Google. We're going to go to More Gadgets, and you want to search for iframe, and this is the gadget that we're going to do. It's called the Include Gadget iframe. I'm going to hit select, and now I'm going to paste that address that we created into that first box where it says URL to content. And the width and height in pixels you kind of got to play around with. So I'm going to try 700 by 300 pixels, and that might change depending on the size of your screen capture. I'm not going to include a border. You can include a title if you want to, so I could title this Sample Capture, and I might want to include a scroll bar on it just in case it's larger than the width of my site. And then I'm going to click OK. Now, of course, it doesn't look like anything right now because I'm in editing mode, but as soon as I click Save, there is my screen capture, and what's nice, it's nice and clean, it's the right size, and of course I can tweak that again if I need to make it a larger or smaller, or I can go back to Edit, click on the gadget, and you'll see this gear, which is the settings, and then of course I could change the width or the height. So maybe I want to make the height 280 pixels, or I could adjust the width to 710, click OK, click Save again, and get that to look exactly how I want it. And now it's not quite tall enough because I've got that scroll bar, so I would have to go back and adjust it. But that will allow you to very easily include your screen captures on your website, and it'll look a lot better than inserting it just as an image.